Hello students, welcome to this module on formulas and functions, the true powerhouse of Microsoft Excel. In this session, we'll explore how to use formulas and functions to perform calculations, automate tasks, and analyze data with ease. Let's unlock the magic of Excel. Formulas and functions are Excel's most powerful features. They allow you to save time, automate repetitive calculations, increase accuracy, reduce human error in complex computations, gain insights, analyze data in meaningful ways. For example, imagine calculating monthly expenses for hundreds of items. Instead of manual calculations, you can use Excel's sum function to complete the task instantly and accurately. A formula in Excel starts with an equal sign equals to and combines values, cell references, and operators to perform calculations. 1. Basic formula structure. Example, equals a 1 plus b1 adds the values in cells A1 and B1. Use mathematical operators like plus for addition, for subtraction, multiply b for multiplication, slash for division. 2. Order of operations. Excel follows the standard PMDAS rule, parentheses, exponents, multiplication division, addition subtraction. Example, equals a 1 plus b1 multiplied b, c1 multiplies b1 and c1 first, then adds a 1. 3. Cell references, relative references. Adjust automatically when copied. Absolute references. Remain constant using $. Excel's functions are predefined formulas designed to simplify complex calculations. Functions fall into several categories. Mathematical and statistical functions. Sum adds a range of numbers. Example, equals SUM1. A 10 calculates the total of cells A1 through A10. AVERAG finds the mean of a range. For example, this function calculates the average of values in B1 to B10. Count counts numeric entries in a range. For example, this function counts the numeric values in C1 to C10. Logical functions. IF returns one value if a condition is true and another if false. For example, this function checks if a 1 is greater than 10. And slash or combines multiple conditions. For example, this function works only if both conditions are true. Text functions. CONCATENATE or CONCAT combines text from multiple cells. For example, this function combines values in a 1 and B1 with a space. LEN returns the length of text in a cell. For example, this function counts the number of characters in a 1. Lookup functions. VLOOKUP searches for a value in a table and returns a corresponding value. Example, equals VLOOKUP 1001, a 2D10, 2, false searches for 1001 in the first column and returns the value from the second column. HLOQV searches data horizontally instead of vertically. Date and time functions. Today returns the current date. Example, equals TODA displays today's date. DATEDIF calculates the difference between two dates. Example, equals DATEDIFA1, B1, D returns the number of days between a 1 and B1. Let's calculate total expenses. Firstly, you need a data set. Write a formula. In the total column D2, type equal sign B2 multiply C2 to calculate the total cost. Then copy the formula. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other rows. As a result, the total column now displays the calculated values for each item. Advanced formula techniques. Nested functions combine functions to perform complex tasks. This formula checks if the total exceeds 100. Array formulas perform multiple calculations at once. Formula below calculates the sum of products in two ranges. Dynamic ranges. Use functions like OFSHET to define ranges that adjust automatically. For example, this function sums all non-empty cells in column A. Using functions to solve real problems. Let us use a grading system. Dataset. Step 1. Calculate the average with this average function between cells B2 and D2. Step 2. Determine the result with if function if cell E2 more than or equal result pass or fail. Budget tracker. Use sum to calculate total expenses. Highlight overspending with if function. Common formula errors and how to fix them. First one is hashtag div/0. Occurs when dividing by 0 or an empty cell. Fix. Check the divisor and ensure it's non-zero. Second hashtag value. Happens when incorrect data types are used. Fix. Ensure cells contain compatible data. Third hashtag name indicates a typo in the function name. Fix. Correct the spelling. Last one hashtag ref. Appears when a reference cell is deleted. Fix. Update the formula with a correct reference. Best practices for formulas and functions. Plan your formulas. Define the outcome before writing formulas. Use cell references. Avoid hard-coding values to make formulas dynamic. Test on small data. Verify results on smaller datasets before applying to larger ones. Plan ahead, document your work. Add comments or notes explaining complex formulas. Interactive exercise. Creating a sales dashboard. Let us take this sampled dataset. Tasks are: calculate revenue with equals B2 asterisk C2. Use this sum function to calculate total revenue. Highlight low-performing products using this function. Then last, visualization. Create a pie chart to display product revenue distribution. Formulas and functions are the backbone of Excel's analytical power. By mastering these tools, you can automate tasks, gain deeper insights, and handle complex data with confidence. Mastering formulas and functions unlocks the full potential of Excel, turning it into a powerful analytical tool. From basic arithmetic to advanced logic, these skills will serve you in countless scenarios. Stay curious, and see you in the next module to continue your Excel journey.